Wait.
Ay, dago na to ni Oy. Alright guys, kumusta? By the way, my name is Mayordodong. Sa mga wala pa kailan ako, I do mga double meaning Bisaya interviews as well as mga vlogs, mga video reaction, mga uban pa na videos basta kaya ma-record sa camera ato ng buhaton. For this video guys, no, buhatan nato og reaction video. Isa siya sa mga nag-trending actually today. Actually kagahapon lang siya nag-live sa iyang katong kaon og Oten challenge niya. Gikan sa mga mga followers ga gi-challenge siya. Duda na ako, kabalo na gid na siya. Kumbaga, syempre lisod pug ayo di ba magbulag ka nga dili ka ga research and somehow napo na siya mga friends na kanang kaybaw jud unsa na siya nabutang. Lang din ginato lang mga wala dito kay Lexi Lore. Actually si Lexi Lore isa sa mga pinaka sikat karon. Actually siya ang aspiring version ni Ivana Alawi diri sa Pilipinas. Tapos naila sa dito sa Pornhub. I don't know unsay gi Pornhub. Oo, wala di ko kabalog gud sa Pornhub guys. Wala mo gali ka idea sa Pornhub. Comment sa boss kay wala di ko kabalog gud ana. So let's get started guys. Tanan na to ang iyang video regarding sa iyang sa iyang live kagahapon nga mukaon siya og Oten. It's Oten. It's ano daw siya. It's a Filipino food, vegan Filipino food ba to yung gingon. Okay. Let's start. Actually si Lexi Lore, isa ko sa mga naka-idolize sa iya. Gwapa siya, sexy. Basta in short kasi dako si Lexi Lore. Kanang basta. Basta kamo na nakabalongan no.
Recently figured out this new word. It's Oten. O-T-E-N. And lots of you guys have been telling me about it, so I decided, what the hell? Let me figure this out, figure out what it's all about, and yeah, so today I'm gonna be eating Oten, Filipino food. Apparently, it's like, I don't know how to explain it, like this big,
What are you
juicy,
doing,
hot,
step bro?
spicy sausage, and I'm gonna be creating my own vegan version of Oten.
Yeah,
you guys to watch. So, who's excited? Tell me in the chat.
Duda gid na ako actually, murag kay balo na gid na siya gud ko unsa gid na iyahang ginahisgot-hisgot di ba? Pa-blend lang ba para syempre di ba para mukagat sa iyahang mga followers. Imposible sad kay di ba wala siya kabalo nga diya siya ga-earn og dako kana nga butang di ba?
Eat some Oten live for you guys today. Do you like my pink hair? If you haven't seen it yet. I can't wait to eat Oten. Oh my gosh, I've never tried it before.
Wala daw siya ka-try before pero mo na yang gina-permit ginakaon. May pagkakani siya mukuan. Mukaon ana nga butang.
Super excited. I love trying new vegan foods.
It's vegan food.
Guys, I didn't plan for this properly. I'm trying to eat some Oten. I'm hungry right now. Ready to see me eat some Oten? Oten? Oh, is it Oten or Oten? You guys tell me in the chat. I want you guys to just kind of
O-T-E-N.
see what I'm
It's a Filipino food.
Get some oil in there because you don't want to dry Oten. You want to make it nice and wet. Yeah. I see me eat some oily, wet, smooth Oten. You guys excited?
What are you doing, step bro?
Mas attractive yun si Lexi Lore tungkol sa iyang maayos
Heating
yung
up.
permit
It's
yun.
getting hot in here. Oten. Yes. Oten. Is that how you say it? Oten. How do you say it? Oten. Oten. I'm eating the vegan version today.
Ginagawa mo.
Oten is the right pronunciation. I'm gonna try Oten today. Someone said Oten, Oten. I'm gonna call it Oten, or just whatever comes out of my mouth, I guess. I'm gonna see this fat, juicy, still cold, but soon will be warm. Oten. nice and warm. Warm and oily and wet. And I'm gonna wrap it in a bun. I'm gonna put it right between my buns. Right here.
My bun.
What are you doing, step bro?
Here it's sizzling. It's nice and hot.
Expert.
Type it in the chat. Type 1 in the chat if you want me to eat your Oten.
Diba? Halata na gid kayo guys siya, diba? Let me get kanang kung gusto ba daw ka nga kaunon niya imuhang Oten.
Just so sweet, like I had no idea what Oten was, and then you guys told me that it was a Filipino food, so I just decided, why don't I give it a try? I know it'll make you guys really happy.
Papagod sa Lexi Lore, papagod.
Can't wait to eat it. It's gonna be dripping wet. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna feel so good between my buns.
Lam. Putting into my buns.
Why it's so hot? I have it on low. Okay.
Makagutom kay lantaw kang Lexi Lore, no? Tama na lang taan sa lantaw sa yabo.
It's getting nice and brown, just like I like it.
Ginagawa mo!
I'm cooking Oten. It's almost ready. It's almost ready. This is what I'm using, by the way, in case anyone's interested. And yes, I had to get stitches in my finger.
Naasay samad sayang kamot. Nako Lexi. Naunsa man na imong kamot. Pagit sa middle finger.
What are you doing, step bro?
Tama ko pinayahan ano eh. Paak. Paak. Alright.
Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Okay, I'm about to eat this fresh, hot, sizzling Oten. You guys excited? I am.
Ginagawa mo!
Alright, here we go. Also, my boyfriend is gluten-free, so he uses like gluten-free buns, and that's what I'm trying to use, but it's like not a bun. Wait.
Gindira gidog toyo ba? Ay nako Lexi. Tuyo-tuyoon jud ba?
Okay. Now the mustard.
Lexi, are you
That's not
farting?
me farting, that's
Okay.
the mustard.
Abi na ko nautot ka Lexi.
Trust me. Moment of truth. My first time eating Oten. Oten. Oten.
Ginagawa mo!
Whatever. Let's do it. Hey guys, it's gonna fit in my mouth. Oh my god.
Ako ba kay baba?
It's so big.
Ay.
Ginagawa mo.
What are you doing, step bro?
Ay nako. Let it go. Mayo. Ano siya? An expert. Anyway guys, no, dili naman na nga to ang walay pulos kapag react sa video ni Lexi Lore. Kung na may mga video request, comment na sa ubos mga pa-shoutout. Bato na ako kung part para ma-notice na mong tanan. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!